afternoon, everybody. It's Chris.
Joan.
For Chris and Joan's Travels. Hey, we're here to talk about St. John's, Antigua. Though we're sitting on Megan's Bay in the U.S. Virgin Islands, we thought we'd do yesterday's day 7 vlog from here. So yesterday started out like every other day. We got up early, but we did not have any time to work out because we had a very early excursion. So we got up, cleaned up, went to breakfast at the buffet. Just had a quick breakfast, and then we had to be on the pier at 8 o'clock for the Let's Take a Selfie St. John's excursion. And what we ended up getting to do is we went to stop by a church, but they didn't want to go. Nobody wanted to go in, so we did just a quick drive-by. Hopefully we got a picture. Not sure we got a good picture. I don't think we had any good pictures. And then
but it was an old church, and you couldn't do anything anyway. So
yeah, you had to pay an extra fee to get in, so nobody really wanted to go in. And then what we did after the church, we took a ride over to Port James. We had about 25 minutes there to walk around, look around. We got to see what were left of some of the old buildings and a bunch of the cannons. And there was a nice view of the beach, or of water. I don't know if it was a beach per se, the ocean. So that was kind of nice. And then we got back in the car, and the guy took us for a long ride. I don't know, 20, 30 minutes, maybe. Up to Devil's Bridge. And we got up to Devil's Bridge. On the way there, we saw the cricket stadium that they had built, and they were talking about getting ready for cricket there, the cricket matches that were coming up. And then we went to the Devil's Bridge, and we hung out there for like 25 minutes. And we got pictures. They had some nice little picture areas set up so you could take pictures with the what do they call the background, with a background or a frame. It was like a picture frame. And we got our pictures there, and there was a couple vendors there selling stuff, so we did a little looking in there. And then after that, what did we do after that? We went to Long Bay Beach, and we were at Long Bay Beach for about an hour and a half.
That was nice.
And that was nice.
Clear water, and
very clear, very nice water there.
Just really nice area. Small, excluded.
While we were there, I had a pina colada. What did you have? Sex on the beach?
Sex on the beach.
Tony had sex on the beach again. She's got a dirty mind. That's all she's been doing. And then, again, they had some vendors there, so we got to do a little shopping. We had some chips, some nachos and cheese while we were sitting there. That was okay. And then after that, we got back on the bus. After our 90 minutes there, we got on the bus. We took a little ride back. They did a little trivia of what we learned for the day. That was kind of good, and Joni won a coin. She got one of the questions right. Then we got back to the pier. We did some shopping around the cruise ship area at the little shopping venues that they had there. We walked in, they had a little casino. We went into there. I didn't play, but they actually had slots, roulette, and some card games, blackjack, 3-card poker, Caribbean poker. And then again, we went out and did some more shopping. It got to be about 3:30, 3:45. We went back to the ship, went up to Spice H2O to go sit in the hot tubs. And of course, right when we got there, it let loose. It started pouring. So Joni and I looked at each other. Joni said, "No, I'm not getting in the hot tub." I was already in the hot tub. I didn't care. I was wet. She goes, "Let's go to the spa." So we went to the thermal spa, since we have the thermal spa package. We hung out there until 5:30, and then we got cleaned up. And at 6:45, we went to Moderno's for dinner. And then we walked around the ship, did our pictures. So I think we've done pictures now every night that they've offered pictures. It's going to be hard to pick just the 8 that we want. And then we decided, you know what, it'd been a long day. We went back up to the room just to relax. And what we did up at the room, we actually went through all the crap that we bought in the 4 other ports, or all the ports at that point, just to see what we actually had and if we needed to get anything else. And then at some point we decided we went bowling. Or was that before we went to before we went to the room? We went up to the bowling alley and bowled again. This time I won.
No, there's no proof of it.
I won. I bowled over 100. She barely broke 80. I won. Then we went out to the room. And then about 10:15 we decided we wanted some dessert, so we went down to local and had our pie and ice cream. And then we said, hey, we got another early day in St. Thomas. Let's go to bed. So we went to bed kind of early. We tried to get in to see the into the Illusion area. They had a Broadway thing going on, but you couldn't get in. You got to get there super early. And there's only one more showing of it, so we'll try that next time. And then that was it. We were in bed early. So that was our day 7 St. John's Antigua adventure. So hope you liked it. Hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe.
Follow us along. Keep an eye. Follow us and check our other videos. And hope you liked the view.
Oh wait, there was one other thing we did. Oh, so I posted a video of the water slides. I got to do all but one of the water slides. They wouldn't let me bring the GoPro on it, but there's a 2-minute video of the water slides. I went on 4 of them. This one kid said he had to be in my video, so I let him be in the video. He's announcing where we were. So check that out, because that actually was kind of interesting.
It's cute.
It is kind of cute. So this is Chris.
And Joan.
For Chris and Joan's Travels. And that was day 7, St. John's Antigua. Have a good day. Bye.